Hello, Namaste, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ujaswini, and you are watching this video and listening to me on OJ7. In today's video, as the title suggests, I'm going to be talking about my experience of drinking warm water as the first thing in the morning for 5 years. I am 21 years old and I'm going to turn 22 in December, so you can count me as 22, which means I have roughly spent 25% of my life practicing this habit. So I think I am in a state to talk about my experience and maybe break some myths about warm water. I started off with drinking 1 glass of warm water. In the beginning, it's difficult. Like any other good habit, it is going to take efforts. It's not going to be very easy for you. You will feel like you're gonna puke out. I used to feel like I'm about to vomit all the time, but I never really vomited. The thing is that you wanna increase the amount of water gradually. I started off with 1 glass and I think even lesser than that, and then I gradually increased it to 1.5, then 2, and currently I am in a position where I drink at least 3 glasses of warm water every morning, and sometimes even like 4, depending upon how I feel. If I feel like having 4, I have 4. So I have divided today's video into 2 sections. In the first part, I'm going to be talking about some myths or maybe some beliefs that people have towards this habit of drinking warm water in the morning. And in the second part, I'm going to share with you my experience and what all benefits I have seen. Thus, drinking warm water in the morning reduce your belly fat. Now, it makes no sense. I do not know how somebody can believe this even, because burning fat takes place when your calories are burnt. And how can drinking water of any temperature burn your calories? Come on, give me a break. No, it does not reduce belly fat. It cannot. And in the last 5 years, I have seen no such magic where my belly fat reduced because I drank warm water. If something like that happens to anyone, I would love to know in the comment section, because it is going to be like a miracle for me. Myth number 2, does it reduce your weight? Now, I have seen a lot of people diving into this habit with the expectation that it is going to reduce your weight. Same concept here. What logic do you think proves that warm water might reduce your weight? You reduce your weight either by controlling your diet or by exercising. I don't think there's any, or by like a surgery. So I don't think warm water, at least in my case, it has not reduced my weight. My weight definitely has reduced compared to my 5 years younger self, but it has definitely not been caused by the habit of drinking warm water. It took a lot more effort, you guys. I had to work out, I had to control my diet. At least in my case, none of them has happened because I drank warm water. I mean, I did not lose weight or belly fat or any sort of fat because of drinking warm water. Sad. Belief number 3. Does warm water make your skin glow? Now, it might do good to your skin. I mean, that's what science says. It is likely to do benefit to your skin. But in my case, I did not see a drastic or a visible change because of this habit. I mean, my skin is improved, but that's been because I changed many habits that I was practicing wrongly in the past. And when I had those habits, I was drinking warm water 5 years ago, but at that time I had other bad habits for my skin, like not taking care of it, going out in the sun without wearing sunscreen, etc. So I did not see any change going on in my skin merely because I was drinking warm water. So I do not think it can individually impact your skin a lot, but if you incorporate other habits as well for your skin, then it can add on to the goodness. Belief number 4, it is going to cure. Remember, I'm using the word cure, not reduce or help. I'm using the word cure your migraines or any kind of headaches. I have migraine. I've been struggling with it for years now, and some people had suggested this to me. I mean, after I started drinking warm water, this suggestion afterwards came to me that, you know what, migraine is going to get cured if you start drinking warm water in the morning, or any headache gets cured. So I've been drinking warm water for 5 years now. I think if it could cure my migraine, it would have done it by now. It hasn't. I still have migraine, but it does help you with headaches, which I'm going to mention in the second part of my video when I tell you the benefits that I have actually received of warm water. Next and the last myth that I want to talk about is also similar to the last myth, that it is going to cure your throat infections or your tonsil problems, anything related with throat like cough and all that. So the word cure again should not be used here because it can help a patient, but I have had problems with my throat a lot of times and I was drinking warm water every single day. Like I've had it every single day. I think the only times when I have missed it would have been probably when I was in a train, when I was traveling and I could not get access to it in the morning. Even if I went out to somebody else's place to stay, I have definitely had warm water. So I've been very, very, very consistent with it. And I have still had times when I got throat infections, tonsils, all that, and I had to take medicines. Warm water alone could not help me out. So it definitely helps you with your throat problems. I'm going to mention something about this in the next part, but it does not cure any throat related problem. Moving on to the second section of the video now, which should make you happy because I'm going to tell you the actual benefits that I have received. Now think about it. Had there been no major benefits, why would I continue this hectic habit for 5 years every single day? And I am going to do it for the rest of my life. I know it. I'm going to do it for the rest of my life. It's become like a ritual for me now. And now I'm going to tell you what things you can actually root for. Number one, I think it would also be the most quickly visible change that you will come across. It is your digestion. It is very, 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 very good for your digestion. I mean, there are n number of scientific benefits and you can Google them. I did not want to make this video about that. You can read it anywhere. I wanted to talk about my personal experience. So there are n number of benefits for your health, and all those are happening internally and you will not even realize them, but you will get benefits. What I wanted to talk about were the things that I actually experienced that I could feel myself. Number one was digestion. My digestion definitely improved a lot. I think every single person should drink warm water in the morning, if not for anything else but for their digestion. So definitely one huge advantage is that your digestion is highly going to improve. Number two, I hardly wake up with a sore throat now. Of course, I mentioned in the first part that it does not cure any throat related problem, but what it does is it helps you from that cranky sort of a feeling which a lot of people have, like they'll have a little bit of cough here and there. So I never wake up having cough or like having a sore throat because without actually having an infection anymore. So my throat is quite clear in the morning and it has happened gradually. And I think warm water is one major reason why that change has occurred. The next thing that I want to mention is my metabolism. So my metabolism has definitely improved in the last 5 years. I know a lot of factors affect it, so I will not give all the credits to warm water for that, but it is definitely going to hold stake. And I'm actually read about it a lot that this habit helps improve your metabolism, so I would give it a part of the credits for that. Before I move on to the last point, I want to quickly mention that 90% of the people who are watching my videos currently have not subscribed to my channel. If you are one of them, what are you doing? This is absolutely free for you. Please, it just takes a click, so please do it. Subscribe to my channel, share this and maybe like it. No pressure, depends upon you. The last and I think the most important factor that I want to share with you is that the sole reason or the most important reason why I am going to carry this habit for the rest of my life is that it makes me feel so good. Now, I'm not somebody who wakes up very, very energetic. I like to spend time alone. I'm not full of energy in the morning. But warm water definitely helps me activate. I almost feel like it activates my brain, my body. So I can not go a day without drinking warm water. It just does not work out for me. Because I do not feel as good without having had it as I do after having had it. So it definitely makes me feel a lot. It can't exactly explain how it makes me feel because it's the same thing as telling somebody how sugar tastes. I mean, you have to try sugar yourself to be able to understand how sugar tastes. So same thing goes with this, and you will understand this change only after you have tried it. So it definitely kind of activates you in the morning. It makes your head feel lighter and it sort of calms you down and prepares you for the rest of the day. So yeah, these were the things that I had to talk about. I hope you liked it. Stay healthy and happy at home and keep your families healthy and happy.